Put inside the beam. Right down, right. Too much concrete right there, sir. Hey! Use that felt, throw the concrete over. You're not ready for your bull float yet. Let them finish up and then you come after, right? Yeah. One of the worst things that can happen when you have pour concrete, pump break down. Welcome YouTube. Welcome to another episode of the MVS. And as usual, I'm on the JOB. Yeah man, and today is all about the concrete pouring for the Penthouse roof slab. I'm going up there in just a minute. Before we start that pouring, however, as you can see, the pump truck is on this side with a chuck, with another concrete chuck, and I'm casting some columns. You will also see that. But before I go upstairs, you don't know what more you do for me, you know. But you like this video, may I wait. Thanks a lot. Let me go upstairs and cast some concrete. Okay, my people, so I'm up on the deck where we're casting the columns first. So, as you can see, I have this set of guys, they're doing the columns, and after that we'll go up to do the slab. And I have some carpenters and some other guys standing by to do the cleanup after this operation. Right, I'm clearing these material to outside here. I need here clear so I can start this deck after the concrete is cast, after the column is cast. Let me go on. If the pump reach, if not reach, we go on the slab. Right, if we don't reach, we just go on the slab. So once I get this line, I'm good. That side you might have to move, but just do this one and then after finish. You hear Vladimir? When he casts this one, I don't think he's gonna reach. If he reaches this one, no problem. Right. But if he don't reach, we just go on the slab after. Right? Alright, let me go up on the slab and show you what I want regarding the steel work, how it looked before we start the concrete. Let's go. Okay, so when I finish with the columns, as you can see that side, the pump is on that side. Then you have to move and come more central so you can do the deck slab, the roof slab. My concern is I think he's gonna be able to do everything from this side based on how I'm seeing the pump. There is no rebar in the way, so even when he's booming down, so I think him good. Once in position right there, he will be able to cast everything. But with the columns, based on how it looked there, he'd have to move to do the next columns on this side. But that's not really my concern right now. My concern is to finish that side and then let him come and do the deck. If we have time, when he's finished with the deck, I will do the remaining columns. Okay, as you can see, the stopping is very basic. It's plywood, rip between the steel, and then we have a 2x4 behind it to keep it straight and firm. And I also have down here some pieces of cement bag. That is to avoid the excess concrete to run over. You know, it will have to run over, but not as much as if there wasn't any cement bag. So it will minimize the cleaning time and the preparation time for the other side of slab. Right, so yeah, the screed, as you can see, the screed is the 2x4 method. So the concrete will, this underneath the 2x4 here, that's the top of the concrete. And I'll show you what we use to rod. This is how it is. So we have this. This is our rod. As you can see, when the concrete is cast, then the rod to suit, and the finishes, the concrete finish is under the 2x4. You will see it when we cast it. I'm just giving you a little demonstration on what it's gonna look like. No problem. There, they need to add a next piece of 2x4 here. I think this is it. This is a little bit short. I will just set them, cut a 2x4 to put on the stop end. I need it to finish properly. Right. Huh? Yeah. Just want a piece. On that one. We'll show people when him come up. Yeah, so this is how we look, people. We're just waiting for the concrete to finish the columns, and then we attack this area. Okay? That is it. Yeah, my peeps, one of the worst things I can happen when you pour concrete, especially when you pour over 100 cubic yards and the pump breaks up. And you have trucks waiting. That can be a big deal breaker. But the mechanic is on site. Make we see what's going on and see how extreme this thing is, because to replace this truck, you would have to bring a smaller truck, and that is just going to be more time consuming in terms of that smaller truck would have to move maybe 4 times to get the area cast. Let me see what's going on. Hopefully it fixes in the next 25 minutes, because these trucks, they're almost here half hour now. And you don't know, a longer in a truck, then it go off, can't use it. But by an idea, it wouldn't be my fault. It will be the concrete supplier negligence with their truck. So, make us see what's going on. Right. So the mechanic just signal me, say, well, it's good. So we're booming down now, and I'm going to reposition right here to get the deck cast. That's good news. Let's go. Hey, back. Check me on the deck where I put the concrete. I want to show you something. Okay? Check me on the deck where I put the concrete. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, my peeps. So we start the concrete on the floor slab. Sorry, the roof slab. I call back. I want to show back something. They made a they made a little error. Not really back did it. There's an ex-carpenter that did it, but I want back to come and fix it because that carpenter is not here. So with this beam you're seeing right here, this beam, it goes across to the elevator. But that this lintel you see right here, I cast it low to accommodate the beam bottom. If I cast it to the block height there, I would have to jackhammer so the beam can pass. But what they should have done, hey back, meet me, come up top, let me show you. What they should have done is put the beam bottom and then they do the rest of the slab here. They follow what they did, they follow what they saw downstairs and bring up that slab, that deck bottom there. But obviously the beam have to pass. So I'm gonna show back and let him organize for me. Okay. So, hey Bako, I'm just showing you this. So maybe next week you can, this is the time. But I show Carlos, right? I told Carlos that the beam, you go across to the, but what they still, you notice this one?
Oh, the front.
Yeah, this one. So you have to cut and pass. So when you come to work here, you just organize for me. Watch not too much water. Just dump it, just dump it. We have to put you can throw it out this side. Yeah, throw it out that side. Make sure nobody down there. Yeah, well, not the crew. Well, we might have to use the sky chuck because the sky chuck can put it at the low end there.
Today,
You try
yeah, I tried at the curb put
the jack.
yeah, but
Couldn't reach. Too tight. Two things. What I will do, I will put some jacks there and let everybody help to bring them right here. Because they basically tomorrow is cleaning. Maybe by Wednesday, Thursday, I will put all jacks with the guys. Make sure all material is up. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you. Watch. You're not ready for bull float yet. Let them finish up and then you come after, right? Yeah. Too early for bull float. Watch me, all of that one come out. All one come out. Take out all of that. Hey, scrape out all that. All one come out. Yeah, it's under the, going under the 2x4. Watch, put inside the beam. Right down, right. Yeah. Watch, I think I moved too fast now. Too much concrete right there, sir. Hey, watch me. Use that flail, throw the concrete over. This one, straight over. Okay, cancel. Put it here, put it here, put it here, yeah, right here, right here. Put it right here. The extra concrete will full of that. Okay, okay. Right, pull on this. I'll pull up that. Right, that's yeah, sorry people. Right, my peeps, so this is how far we reach now. We're almost finished. We're about 85%. So we're waiting on 2 more trucks. But that 2 trucks, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the tape and measure this area and make a final order. But I'm waiting on 2 trucks now. So this is how we look. Removing the screed, still doing some leveling, and yeah, waiting on 2 trucks. So I'm gonna go downstairs, get the tape, get my calculator, and come check the area. Okay, my piece. I just calculate the area, and it's 26 cubic yards. However, I only have 20 cubic yards coming, so I added the additional 6 yards. So we're almost finished, and I'm waiting on basically 1 more truck. I have 2 on the way, which is the 20, and the last truck, that will be the 6 yard to finish this area. So yeah, at least night no catch it. We're still at it, and the time now is, I don't know if you're seeing, it's 2:21 p.m. So based on how the trucks them coming, it's a kind of peak hour time now in terms of traffic. So we should finish by about 4 o'clock. I can see what's going on. Yeah man, we're still at it. Stay tuned. Heads up, heads up! No, that's it. The short? The short? Okay. Chuck finish? That finish? What the?
3, 2, 1. Again.
No, 3 chuck. Yeah, 3 more chuck. Okay, my peeps, this is how we're looking after the pouring. Where I'm standing is currently out there on the slab. This area is already set. We start putting the water, so the curing has begun. So that's how we look like there. Very nice. But we're still doing some concrete. Down at the villa, we have some columns down there, some foundation columns. The casting, getting it out the way, and we're removing some sand from that area and placing it right where you see the dump truck is. So yeah, we're still on the job. We're still at it. The good thing is we have achieved the concrete pouring that we set out to get done before we exit for the Christmas holidays. So the next set of work coming have to do before I leave for the Christmas holiday is the general housekeeping. Organizing all the material, removing all of the unnecessary material from the finish area. So like for example, these are the screed 2x4s. Gonna get them clean and pack in a area to be reused again. Same as these steel, I'm gonna put them down that side because they're gonna use that side and get this area nice and clear. Right, so that's the motion right now. I'm gonna go downstairs, check for the rest of areas.